that we've made in the trench. Ben's gone to get a tool to drive the fence post driver. May want to straighten it out just a little. There you go. All right, that's how we have it oriented. We're going to pick it up and then tie it off. Ben's going to tie it off with the wire. Okay, you can see the hose. It has a crimp. You can see the wire. He has it turned on down. He drove the post in. Now the next thing to do, let me show you guys something. Okay, if you take a look, there's a 90-degree 1/8 inch adapter that's sitting there so the water will leak when he puts in the bucket. All right, go ahead and push that down. There isn't a lot of pressure on that, is there?
No, there's not.
Can you center it a little better?
No, because the lid won't fit if it's not perfectly like. Yeah, see, it's too uneven there, so it has to be like up to here for me to put the actual.
Okay, do we have to put more dirt under it so the bucket sits higher? See what I'm saying, kind of thing, or not?
Maybe, let me see. I mean, we can just, oh wait, that actually might be perfect.
Okay, well then that's what we're gonna call it, is perfect. Okay, so you wanna go grab a bag of rocks?
Yeah.
All right, there you see the bucket with filled with the rocks. So go ahead and put that on, Ben. Here comes Ben's buddies. There's Cool Cow. Hop in, Ben, hop in so we can get out of the way. Okay.
You're worried about nothing.
Okay, there we go. We're gonna pull forward. My babies, I love my babies.
The bull may look mean, but he's just a kitty cat.
Well, no, I hope he's not mean. He's the one animal that can put the hurt to you and have fun with you all day long. Okay, there are the happy face. Boy, she's big too. Cool Cow has grown up to be, look at that. There you are, Cool Cow. She's grown up quite to be the lady. Yep, she's gonna have her first calf come